Wheels of Wellesley Car Show.
Early morning, Wellesley Square was quiet as final preparations were done to get ready for the car show. Volunteers were on site at 7 a.m. Staging and registration: Louise, Marlene, Richard B., Joan B., Paul S., Greg H., and Jerry P. Parking: 3 members, Dave M., Sully, Peter K., and Steve H. 50-50 raffle: Craig H. Photos: Frank S. Annette. Street cleaning was done by the town of Wellesley. Wellesley police took action to shut down traffic. Modifiers set up to register and manage the arrival of the show cars. The 13 Wheels of Wellesley Car Show was held Sunday, May 17th from 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. on Central Street, Wellesley Square. Cars started to arrive in a continuous flow as soon as the gates opened. Show cars were carefully guided to their assigned parking spot, hoods raised, lawn chairs set up, coolers strategically placed, and show cars dusted and cleaned one last time before owners sat down to enjoy the day. 3 judges, Art T., Roy D., Warren C., and Ed R., were chosen to pick top 20 cars and best of show. The car show was busy all morning as guests brought their young families to see the best cars from their youth. Now it's time to sit back and enjoy all the show cars. I hope it brings a big smile when you see your car.
Now it's time to recognize the trophy winners for their awesome cars. Best of Show, Colin Dunphy, 70 Orange GTO Judge. Top 20, Forbes 99, BMW M3, Giuliani 16 Dodge Hellcat, Siciliano 78 Ford F-150, Webster 67 Chevy Camaro, Dunn 69 Big Window VW Bus, Bunnell 67 Chevy Camaro, Ferreira 67 VW Beetle, Codply 70 Chevy Chevelle, Dandria 73 Ford Bronco, Mana 71 Buick G6, Adric 69 Pontiac Firebird, Matt Carthy 63 Chevy Corvette, Tlurko 14 stock Ford Shelby GT 500, Nichols 57 Chevy, Santucci 71 Olds 442, McGoldrick 68 Pontiac Le Mans, Ian Tosca 70 Olds 442, Arvanitis 70 Olds, Ackerman 51 MG Cadee, Lindell 67 Camaro,